Swadee, I'm Samdad. Welcome to Banlu Homestay and Handicap Center. Banayang is a small village in the mountain area in Laos. 200 families live here. Only 10 years ago, we connected electricity. Banayang have everything: temple, shop, lifestyle, beautiful view, and many traditional house. We even have swimming pool. Here you can learn how we make cotton product from seed to finished product. Banayang is famous for indigo diet and other natural diet. You can also learn how to do bamboo weaving and natural paper. I invite you to Banlu Handicap and Homestay. ขอบใจหลายๆ